In today's video, we will be designing a mind-blowing Discord server banner using Canva and Canva new AI text-to-image generator. The result is actually jaw-dropping, and guess what? You can also do all of this magic with the Canva app. Once you're in the Canva dashboard, click the Create a Design button. From the drop-down, choose Custom Size and add 9020 for width and 1080 for height. You can add any resolution you want as long as they maintain the sweet 16:9 aspect ratio. Once everything is set up, it will give you a white canvas and some pre-made templates. First thing first, we need a background. We will use Canva's text-to-image AI generator for this task. Go to apps and search for text to image. Now it's time for the fun part. In the top we have the prompt section where we can give a description of what we want. Then we can choose the style for the AI generated images. You have many options to choose from, but for this tutorial I will use retro wave. But most importantly, you need to choose landscape as the aspect ratio. Okay, now imagine something creative. I will give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. I know you got no idea. No worries, I have compiled a list of 259 plus prompts in various categories for you. Just choose whatever you like. I will put the link below for you to check it out. I will choose one from the landscape category as it will be the best fit as a background image. Now give the AI some moments to generate the images. Just look at those images. They are absolutely awesome. You can simply click those images and it will be placed in the canvas. You can again generate more by clicking the Create Again button, but I like this one. It has a nice white space to put the text. Oh, and you can also change the styles or prompts at any point while generating. Then right click and lock this image to prevent accidental movement. Let's add the other stuff. Go to the Elements tab and search for noise. Under Photos, choose whatever you like. You can click the images or drag and drop them onto the canvas. Adjust the rotation by holding and adjusting the rotation circle. Do the same thing as we did for the background image to fill the noise image as well. To see other good stuff below the noise image, click the checkbox icon and decrease the transparency. Well, again go to the Elements tab and search for paper. Under the graphics section, choose a paper something like this. We will add our text above this paper graphics. You can adjust the height by dragging the top and bottom parts. Once you're happy, go to the Text tab and add a heading. Make it super big, just like your big heart. Choose a bold font so it pops up well in the server banner. I love this serif font as well, so I will use it as the second text. For the top one, I'm going to choose this bold font. It's totally optional, but I will click this capitalized text icon so all the text are in caps. You can also adjust the spacing between the letters by going to the spacing option here. Let's add some colors to it. Select the text color icon on the top. As you can see, Canva automatically detected the colors from the image we have created, but they are not visible when we apply. So I will choose a custom color. Grab the primary color code. You can click this plus icon and copy the code. Go to the Canva color generator. In the pick a color field, add the color code of your primary color. Then choose complementary as the color combination. It will then give you the best color with high contrast. Now click the new color code and paste it in your custom color. Alright, press V on your keyboard to activate the move tool, and while the text is selected, go to effects and choose outline. Choose the darkest tone of your primary color as the outline. Play around with the thickness slider until there is enough contrast between the text and background. It's time to make it look messy. Click and hold the rotation icon of the text and rotate it just a little bit. adjust the position so it's overlapping the paper below. I will decrease the spacing of this text, it's looking way too bonded, alright. So we got it looking pretty dang good. I will apply the same thing for the bottom text, but I'm not going to bore you with the same thing again. Enjoy the super fast time lapse. Oh, by the way, hold shift and choose the paper and text layer together. Then click the group option. It will make it easy to make both text and paper bigger or moving flawlessly. We are pretty much done. You can leave it here. But I am a genius, so I am going to make it epic in epic here. Let's start with the icons. Go to Elements tab and search for flat icon. Under graphics, choose whatever you like. In the free plan, it's a pain to find a good one, so take your time to search or grab it from somewhere else, or click my link below to get the pro plan. You can also go to Emojipedia and search for emojis. Right click the images and choose copy image. Then come to Canva and paste it. Congrats, you successfully stole the Apple emoji. I will also add a circle by going to the Elements tab and selecting the circle shape. Adjust the fill color and add the outline. Make the border bigger. Change the color of the outline as well by clicking the border color icon on the top. Now place your icon on top of this shape. If you can't see the icons, simply right click the circle shape and choose send to back. It will send the circle to the back and the icon will come forward. To make it easier to manage, select both of these and group them. I will add another icon but with a smaller size. The paper is looking too obvious, isn't it? Let's decrease the transparency of it. We can add another AI image art. Grab another prompt or command from the website and generate it. Drag and drop into the canvas. But we don't want the boring look. Go to the elements and scroll down until you see frames. From there, choose your preferred shape. Then simply drag the image inside the frame. Look at this dude, it's looking cool. You can double click the image and adjust the position. Enough of being a genius, go to share and choose PNG. If you have the pro version, use 2 as the size, but no worries, for free users like me, 1 is good to go. Then hit download. There you go, your very own server banner. Your mind should be blown by now. If not, watch this video where I use ChatGPT and only AIs to create the best looking thumbnail you have ever seen. It sounds like clickbait, but you will love it.